If your anime face looks wrong, even when the eyes are good, the problem is usually the head construction underneath them. In this beginner quest, we will build one original anime face using only 3 main shapes: a circle for the cranium, a tapered wedge for the jaw, and a short cylinder for the neck. Once those shapes feel solid, placing the features becomes much easier. Start with a loose circle. It does not need to be perfect. This circle represents the top and back of the skull, not the complete face. Draw lightly and use your whole arm instead of scratching around the edge with dozens of tiny lines. Now attach a tapered jaw shape beneath the circle. Begin near the left and right sides of the circle, angle both lines inward, then connect them with a small curved chin. Avoid making the chin a sharp triangle. Even stylized anime faces need a little width at the bottom to feel believable. This is our second shape, and it controls the character's age and personality. A wider jaw feels older or stronger. A shorter, narrower jaw feels younger. For Riven, we will use a slim jaw with a controlled chin. Add the third shape, a short neck cylinder behind the jaw. Place the necklines slightly inside the widest part of the head. Let them angle outward as they move toward the shoulders. If the neck starts directly beneath the chin point, the character will look stiff. Imagine it supporting the skull from behind. Now we can add our guides. Draw a vertical center line through the face. Then place a horizontal eye line roughly halfway between the top of the skull and the chin. Beginners often place the eyes too high because the hair hides so much of the cranium. Trust the halfway guide first, then adjust for style later. Place the ears between the eye line and the bottom of the nose. Build the eyes on either side of the center line, leaving roughly 1 eye width between them. Keep both eyes related to the same horizontal guide. If one eye drifts upward, the face will feel tilted even when the jaw is straight. Place the nose lightly below the eyes and the mouth about halfway between the nose and chin. Anime noses and mouths can be very simple, but their spacing still matters. Use small marks and let the construction do most of the work. Before drawing the hair, mark the hairline and the overall hair mass. Hair sits on top of the skull. It should extend beyond the original circle instead of being painted flat inside it. For Riven, divide the fringe into a few large pointed groups, then add smaller strands only where they improve the silhouette. Now, clean the drawing. Strengthen the jaw, eyes, and main hair shapes. Keep the nose and mouth lighter so they do not compete with the expression. Add a simple shadow beneath the fringe and under the jaw, then finish with a restrained cyan-violet accent. The complete construction is a circle for the cranium, a tapered wedge for the jaw, a short cylinder for the neck, then guides, features, and hair. Your practice quest is to draw this construction 3 times. Keep the circle the same, then change only the jaw, round, narrow, and square. That unlocks head construction, rank D. Next, we will learn how to draw anime hair that has volume instead of looking like a flat helmet. Subscribe to RiftSketch Academy and keep leveling up your art.